Let's talk about the Pudu D7, a service robot that's changing the game. This smart machine learns from every move, handling everything from heavy lifting to precise tasks. It's been reshaping how industries work, making jobs smoother and smarter. The D7 is what we call a semi-humanoid robot. It's not trying to look fully human, but it borrows some handy features from human design. Standing at 5 feet 4 inches and weighing about 100 pounds, it's built for efficiency and adaptability. What makes the D7 special is its design. The upper body looks like a human torso with arms, but it moves on wheels. These aren't just any wheels, they let the robot move in any direction with pinpoint accuracy. This means it can navigate tight spaces like busy kitchens or hospital hallways with ease. Speed-wise, the D7 can zip around at up to 7.2 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to keep up with human workers in places like restaurants or public areas without causing a stir. Now, the million-dollar question is, what makes the Pudu D7 stand out? Well, the short answer is, it's the arms. These aren't just any robot arms, they're engineering marvels of this time. These state-of-the-art arms are pretty flexible. Each arm has 30 degrees of freedom, which is tech speak for they're super flexible. At 65 centimeters long, they're just right for most service jobs. But here's the cool part. These arms can change based on user demand. Do you need a human-like hand for a delicate task? No problem, sire. The D7 can swap out attachments, including hands with 20 degrees of freedom. That means it can pick up objects or interact with things in ways that simpler robots can only dream of. Now, let's dive into the D7's brain. This isn't your average service bot, folks, as it's got some serious smarts. Pudu Robotics packed in a multi-layered intelligence system that combines data-driven smarts with advanced AI. In plain English, it can handle tricky situations that would stump other simple robots that you can find out there. This combo of flexible arms and a clever brain is what sets the D7 apart from run-of-the-mill service robots. It's not just about following pre-programmed routines. This bot can adapt on the fly, making it a game-changer in service industries. Now let's unpack what makes the D7 so special. Pudu D7 isn't your grandpa's robot. It's an AI-powered, super smart learning machine. Here is how it works. Every time it serves a meal or moves stuff in a hospital, it's taking notes and getting smarter. It's like having a new employee who never stops improving. Isn't it amazing, folks? On top of this, the D7 doesn't just follow orders, it reads the room. Pudu Robotics built this bot to thrive in the real world, not just a lab. Think about a busy store in your city. You've got robots that are great at stocking shelves or saying hi to customers, but throw them a curveball and they're lost. The D7, it rolls with the punches. This AI robot fills a gap. It's not as simple as those one-trick ponies, but the good news is that it's not as pricey or complicated as those fancy humanoid bots you may have read about in news. Now, let's talk about the muscle power of this AI giant. Each arm is strong enough to lift 10 kilograms, but there is more to it. The D7 does this heavy lifting with pinpoint accuracy. We're talking 0.1 millimeters precision, which is pretty jaw-dropping. That kind of accuracy is crucial in places where mistakes could be costly or dangerous, like hospitals or factories. Furthermore, the D7 isn't just built for easy jobs. It can handle complex tasks like running elevators or sorting goods without making costly mistakes. And with its 8-hour battery life, it can keep going in 24/7 environments like hospitals. Plus, the D7 is designed to work alongside people, communicating and getting things done reliably. Let's dive into what makes the D7 tick. As far as the brain power goes, this bot features a cool 2-part brain system. The high-level part is like the strategist, figuring out big-picture stuff, like how to approach a customer. The low-level part? That's the quick thinker, handling split-second decisions like dodging obstacles or adjusting its grip to be on the safe side. This double brain setup is what makes the D7 a superstar in fast-paced environments. It can juggle big plans and tiny details all at once, adapting on the fly when things get crazy. Now let's talk about how the robot moves with precision. Those wheels aren't just for show. They're the secret to the D7's ninja-like agility. It can zip around in any direction without having to turn its whole body. And what about slopes, you may ask? No problem in that department either. This bot can handle inclines up to 10 degrees, staying steady whether it's cruising a flat kitchen or climbing a ramp, for instance. Pudu Robotics isn't new to the robot game. They've already shipped out more than 70,000 bots to hospitals, stores, and other places. But the D7? It's a whole new ballgame. Instead of robots that just do one thing, like delivering food or cleaning, the D7 can handle all sorts of tasks we need hand with. This is a big deal for everyone. It's changing how we think about service robots. With bots like the D7, companies can cut down on costs and make their valued customers happier. Why? Because the D7 is designed to do the job of many special robots. It's like having a Swiss Army knife instead of a drawer full of different tools. We can clearly see that Pudu's got a big picture in mind. They're dreaming up a world where different types of robots will work together like a well-oiled machine. You've got your specialized bots, your semi-humanoids like the D7, and even fully humanoid robots, all doing their part to your satisfaction. The goal? Let the robots handle the grunt work, so humans can focus on the big brain stuff. The D7 fits right into this plan. It's not just another gadget. It's more like a robotic coworker that learns on the job. And Pudu's not messing around. They've got nearly 1,000 patents under their belt, showing they're serious about pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. And this isn't some happy accident, folks. The D7 is the result of years of hard work and know-how in the world of AI robotics. It's why Pudu's a big name in the service robot game, and the D7 is their star player. Looking ahead, Pudu's aiming to roll out the D7 commercially in 2025. We're talking robots in more places, doing more things, from heavy lifting in warehouses to helping out in hospitals. But here's the kicker. It's not about replacing humans. It's about making work smoother, more efficient, and less prone to human error. Pudu's charting a clear course here. They're not just making robots, they're reshaping how we think about work itself. The D7 is just the beginning of a much bigger story in the world of robotics and automation. In the next few years, we may expect to see Pudu pushing the envelope even further. The D7 might be just the start of a new normal, where semi-humanoid robots become as common as smartphones in our daily lives. What makes the D7 stand out is its blend of high-tech smarts and real-world usefulness. It's not just a cool robot. It's a glimpse into the future of work. Pudu's clearly thinking long-term, and that's what makes the D7 a robot to keep your eyes on. Hey, if you're into AI, robotics, and all things tech future, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment too. I'd love to hear what you think about the D7 and where robotics is heading. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of tech. Catch you in the next video.